Hello students! Welcome to this short tutorial that is going to teach you how to use this very useful tool that we call Flippity.net. So the first thing you need to do is go to Flippity.net, just like that. And this is the main page. As you can see, there's a variety of activities that you can use in a few steps to create great activities for your class. We're going to be using them to create vocabulary activities especially. So, for example, if you are going to use a matching template, you come here to template, and then you just need to click on make a copy. What's going to happen next, guys, is this is going to open an Excel sheet on your Google Drive. Okay, so this is an example of the options that I have already used to create one of the activities that we used in class. I have already written on the first column the definitions, right? And on the second column the examples. So when you click on this, you will have a different template. I just wanted to move quickly. You can choose if you want the audio and in what language or accent you want it by clicking here. Okay, and once you have typed in all of the information that you need, I recommend not writing very long paragraphs because otherwise they won't show clearly. The next thing that you need to do is come to File and go to Publish to the Web. Okay, so there you need to click on Publish. In this case, it won't appear because I have already published this, but you just have to click on Publish, close the window, and after that you come down below to Options, and you can choose what kind of activity you want for this game to be. A matching exercise where students can see all the options, or a memory game in which they need to remember the words, right? So you can choose that here. Let's leave it as matching. You can also choose a different kind of font. Okay, for example, let's choose tightness. And a background if you want to insert a link from an image online. So you just copy the link to that image and it will show us your background. Finally, you come here to get the link and you can click on the link that has been created, and there it is. You have your activity. Remember, if you're going to use this in class, remind your students that they can click here on the numbers for the cards to be labeled for better use, especially when they're working in pairs or groups. And also, if they want to mute the audio, they can do it here or the opposite. So that's basically how you do it, guys. If you want to use other kind of activity, you can explore the options that you have in Flippity. So let me show you a few more. We also have, for example, this one that is similar to the one that we were using earlier. If you are not sure about how the activity works, you can click on Demo, and it will open a link where you can see how it will work and before you decide to use it or not. Okay. Okay. So I would like to invite you to continue exploring other options. For example, word search, right? This one that is very interactive, that works as a hangman. And there are some others. So class, I hope that this was useful. Please remember, you need to, number 1, create a template. Number 2, edit the template with the information that you want to change. Number 3, and super important, don't forget to publish to the web here on Excel, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. Number 4, go to options if you need to change anything here. And finally, number 5, go to get the link to find the link that you can click on to display it on the web, which is the same link that you can share with your students. Let me know if you have any questions.